Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Learn now from your learning partner. Today, we're going to learn how to use Q&A service in Power BI service. So please watch the complete video so that you don't miss out on your learning. In the previous video, we learned how to add alerts in Power BI service. If you have not watched that video, then click on the above link. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, we have created a complete watch list that will guide you step by step, where we explain everything you need to know. Today's video, where we'll be learning how to use the Q&A service in Power BI services. Q&A service is a powerful tool that allows you to ask natural language questions about your data and receive instant answers in the form of interactive visuals. It's like having your own personal data analyst at your fingertips. So, let's get started. You've noticed since we've been in the dashboard. In the upper left-hand corner, it says, "Ask a question about your data." That's where Q&A resides in the service. You could also apply it as a visual on a report. It functions a little bit differently in the desktop than it does in the service, but the end result will be the same. It's going to perform analysis on your data. If you click on that line that says "Ask a question about your data," it'll say it's preparing your Q&A. And when you get in here, you'll see a series of tiles questions that Power BI determined to ask about your data. If you have a link on the right that says Show All Suggestions, click it and it will display more tiles if there are any. So you can review these tiles and see what they're saying. The thing is, there may be questions that come up that you look at and you say, I should have thought of that. That is a great question. You can click on any of these tiles and see the result. I'm going to click on the title that says Top Order by Unit Price. And when I click on that, it creates a visualization for me. So it's showing me the information I requested. Now, if I want this information to be on my dashboard in the upper right-hand corner, I can click on the pen visual and it's on our existing dashboard. So we're going to do pen, and in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, you'll see an arrow and it says Exit Q&A. You can go ahead and click that. And again, everything you add to your dashboard will come up at the bottom. So you can scroll down and see that new tile that was added. Finally, you can share your insights with others by publishing your reports or dashboards to the Power BI service or by sharing a link to your Q&A session. This allows others to interact with your data and generate their own insights using the Q&A feature, and that's it. That's how you use the Q&A service in Power BI services. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.